On this web page, I have a AB540 PDF that I would like to update by replacing it. So I'm going to show you how to do this. Firstly, let's click on this PDF doc. And this is the current version that's on the website. The new version, 2021 here, this is on my computer, by the way. Let's have a look. And this is how it looks like. Now, since we're on this PDF version on the website, let's look at the URL, because this URL is going to tell us where to go to get to this PDF. Here, the web here, this is the name of my website. So afterwards, it tells me that if I go to the docs folder and then the test folder, that is where I'm going to find this PDF file. So let's keep that in mind. Go back to the web page here, scroll down, and click on the copyright symbol. Now, once you've logged in, it's going to take you to the editor of this page. Over here, we want to click on Back to Pages, and it's going to show us all of the files and folders for our websites. Now, before it was showing us to go to the Docs folder, followed by the Test folder, and here is our PDF file. Now, when we are replacing, we want to make sure that the file name of the new file is exactly the same as the current file name in OU. Now, to do that, I'm going to make a copy of this 2021. Here it is, and rename it. Now, there's two ways to do it. You could simply type it in, or you could go to OU here, click on this More Actions, click on File, Rename. It's going to select the file name for you. I'm going to right-click on this, copy, come back here to my copied version here, and paste it in. So this is a much better way because it eliminates any typos. So if I compare the two, it's going to be the same. But of course, you could type it in if you want. Just two different ways of doing it. Now that we're ready, we're going to click on this Upload button. And here, I'm going to just drag and drop and look for this. When I see this status, file name already in use, this is actually a good sign. This is telling me that this file name matches the one that's already in OU. So now that I've seen this, I'm going to click on Overwrite and then start the upload. Once it's done, I'm going to go back into OU, More Actions, and publish it. When it's published, let's go back to the web page and click on the AB540, and here's the new version. And we're done.